Hey guys, alright, so I want to give you a hands-on in terms of the installation of these pieces. Alright, these are the pieces that comes in the box. You have a couple pieces as well, and you have the flex screw. Alright, so first thing I want to highlight is this. So this is the piece that is installed onto the wall up top. Now generally these are slats, meaning you install this onto the wall and then you slat it on. This one is different. This one comes with a threading, and so you have to screw this in. It means that it's a little more technical. So you want to ensure that you work out your measurements. Alright? After you work out your measurements in the installation of this first, then you're going to screw this on to it, up there, up top. Right? Remember, this piece has to finish tightening, turning down, because the shower, give me a minute. This shower piece is now going to be screwed onto this. So it can't be slant, so you have to ensure that it finishes looking like this. Alright? Secondly, this rod is the extended rod from the control module. That is the area that controls the water. This is going to be slid onto this. This is the holder for the sprinkler. Now the tube has a head that is screwed onto this and then slapped into this. So basically this is going to be where your thing is going to be. Now I want to show you also that this has a release button. So you can slide it up or down if and when you want. Take note of this. This needs to slide on and come down and this. However, how it comes in the box, you won't be able to get it onto it as it is. So what you have to do is you have to remove this. Pull this rod off completely. Slide this on, and I want to show you something. There's a releaser in there. You see me looking on to ensure when you press. So the releaser goes in, and the release it comes out. So you have to ensure that when you're trying to get this pipe in, you press the releaser so that you get that to move. After you do that, you ensure that you put back this together and you screw it up. Now this is adjustable because, of course, the shower head can go up high if you have a taller person. You determine where you want this to be. So you can either extend it up or you can bring it down, wherever, and you tighten it there. So your mechanism is going to look like this. Your control module, your overhead connection, and your shower, overhead shower. That's basically what it's for. Alright? Please remember, very important, washers. When you're connecting up, ensure that the washers are in place. If you don't have washers in these areas, you are going to have leak for days, and you're going to try to figure out what's going on. Ensure when you're screwing up, the washers are there. I can tell you from now, I had to go and in search, and I found 2 washers out of my stuff that I have with me, because one of these didn't have the washer in there. Sometimes that happens. So just ensure that you be mindful of that. Alright, for the flex tube, wherever the flex tube is going to be screwed onto, you don't have to worry about washer, because the washers are actually on the flex tube for both ends. So you don't have to worry about the washer for that. But for the other areas, ensure that you check for the washer. Sometimes they're in a little container separate, like they have the screws in here. Sometimes the washers are in there. Sometimes, however, they're not. So just be mindful of that. Alright guys, hope this video helped you guys. So I'll catch you in the other video. Alright, take care. Remember, Stylex Construction, go and follow the page, give it a like, and let us continue to do and what we're doing. Alright? Take care, guys.